So if you're having problems with mildew and nasty stinkiness growing on your sponge here from using it every day, well, let me offer you a most delicious remedy. Using some good old-fashioned bleach. So what you want to do is you literally just, get yourself some dingleberry bleach here. And, use your pinky to just sort of, get that bad boy off. And all you do, guys, you just pour some of this bad boy on here. Cover it. And, that's all you need. Just let it sit for like maybe 30 seconds to a minute. Be very careful when you're pouring the bleach that it doesn't splash on your clothing like it has to me in the past. Look at that. You see these white spots? And right here on my... Where is it? See that? Look at that.
And then all you gotta do is, you just rinse it out, and this literally will kill all the mildew and all the nasty, smells that come off. And it works so amazing. It'll extend the life of the battery. And when I mean battery, I mean
a sponge.
For like another 2 or 3 weeks before, you can redo it. And other methods are like putting it in the microwave or something. So yeah, your hand will be all nasty, but it's totally worth it. Totally worth it. I mean, look at all these birds out here, So since my hands are occupied, I'm gonna use my nose to end this video. So there you go. Hope it helps.